HUAWEI Malaysia has just launched another new tablet during the 10/10 sales, which is the HUAWEI MatePad T 10s. On my hands here is the review unit samples, which I'll be doing an unboxing and review. Because this is a review unit, therefore the content in the box will be different from the final products. Here's the tablets, a SIM ejector tooth, a 10W power brick, and a USB Type-C cables. Let's talk about the tablets. It's a 10.1-inch tablet that supports 4G LTE networks, where you can slot in a SIM card, and the best part, you can even make a phone call with it. We advise you to use a wireless earphone or earbud, as you wouldn't want to hold a huge tablet and talk on the loudspeakers. It sports a 10.1-inch WUXGA IPS display, which has a higher resolution than Full HD. This display is TUV Radon certified with eye comfort to reduce harmful blue light. It has a very symmetric bezels and featuring Huawei developed HUAWEI Kirin technology that uses super resolution algorithms and scale up low resolution content for a more immersive experience. Like other HUAWEI MatePad lineup series, the HUAWEI MatePad T 10s equipped with a stereo speakers that tuned by renowned Harman Kardon. This matched perfectly with the brilliant display. Under the hood is the Huawei Kirin 710A mid-range processor coupled with 3GB of RAM and 64GB storage that can be further expanded up to 512GB. It's a capable chipset that is able to handle most of the daily applications and even 3D gaming. It runs on the latest EMUI 10.1 based on Android 10 and enjoys some of the useful features from the Huawei MatePad Pro, like the Huawei app multipliers that enable two side-by-side windows of the same applications, and Huawei multi-windows for more seamless multitasking. It gets a 5MP rear cameras and a 2MP front camera that's ideal for video conferencing. Weighed at just 450g, it packs a 5100mAh battery that charges via USB Type-C. Here's my thought of the tablet. It has a remarkable display and a solid sound output, which is great for media consumption. The build is pretty sturdy by using aluminum bags and sleek design at 7.85mm thickness only. Because it's run on the Huawei mobile services, apps download can only be done via App Gallery. Huawei also introduced beta search early this year that helps app search and downloads which are not available on the App Gallery. Most of the applications that I use on tablets are web-based that doesn't require apps download like Facebook, Gmail, WordPress, personal banking, and more. By inserting a SIM card onto the tablet, I can access to the internet anytime, anywhere. The only downside is that it doesn't support Huawei Smart Magnetic Keyboard, which I find it very useful on the Huawei MatePad Pro. Huawei has a range of tablets to suit every kind of consumers, like the Huawei MatePad to the super flagship Huawei MatePad Pro. Hope you like this video. Do consider subscribe to video channels and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. My name is Joshua Wong. See you guys again soon.